Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about getting rid of the adware that is called OptionSatellite. OptionSatellite is the adware belonging to the adload family of computer infections. OptionSatellite adware, once installed, may start displaying a lot of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So if you have discovered its presence on your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware called OptionSatellite. Check your applications, locate this application, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. By the way, it is available for all popular operating systems. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then begin researching your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.